The Great Mountain Adventure. Friends Face the Storm. Chapter 1. The adventure begins. Once upon a time, 4 friends decided to go on an exciting adventure. Squirrel, who was small and quick, loved to explore. Cat, who was clever and calm, enjoyed quiet moments. Dog, who was brave and strong, liked to protect his friends. And Giraffe, who was tall and kind, loved helping others. One sunny morning, they met at a park. "Let's hike up the big mountain," said Squirrel, jumping with excitement. "From the top, we can see everything." Cat purred happily. "Yes,